divisions of plant kingdom. There are three systems of classifications. They are artificial, natural, and phylogenetic. As per natural system of classification as developed by Bentham and Hooker, kingdom Plantae is divided into two subkingdoms, cryptogam or seedless and phanerogam or with seeds. Cryptogamia are non-flowering plants. They don't have seeds or fruits. Cryptogamia is again divided into three subdivisions: thallophyte, bryophyte, and pteridophyte. Thallophyte body is not differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. Body is thallus-like, non-flowering plant. This thallophyte is again divided into two classes, one algae and fungi. Algae body is undifferentiated. They contain chloroplast, so they are autotrophic. They can produce their own food. Algae are both eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Reserved food material is carbohydrate. Example, Spirogyra. Fungi body is not differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. They are mostly terrestrial. Few are aquatic. Chloroplast is not present. Heterotrophic. They cannot produce their own food. Cell wall is made up of chitin, and reserved food material is glycogen. They are eukaryotic. Example of fungi, mucor. Now, phanerogam or with seeds. Phanerogamia, they are flowering plants. They have seeds. Phanerogamia is again divided into two divisions, one gymnosperm and angiosperm. In case of gymnosperm, they are flowering plant. Fruits are not formed. Seeds remain naked. Woody plants, evergreen, and gymnosperms have two types of leaves, foliage and scale leaves. Polyembryony is common. Example of gymnosperms, pinus, cycas, etc. Now, angiosperm, flowering plants having both seeds and fruits. Plants are generally herbs, shrubs, and trees. Double fertilization occur. Endosperm is a triploid. Number of cotyledons in seed, one or two. Angiosperm is again divided into two classes, monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous. Monocotyledonous seed contain one cotyledon, leaves with parallel venation. Mostly they are herbs and shrubs. Woody trees are rare. Example, rice, wheat, maize, banana. Dicotyledonous, here seed contain two cotyledons. They are mostly shrub or trees. Leaves with reticulate venation. Example, pea, mango, jute. So this is divisions of kingdom Plantae as developed by Bentham and Hooker. This is one type of alga, most probably Spirogyra, green in color, and this alga contains chloroplast. So it is green in color, body is thallus-like, that is undifferentiated. Look at this green colored soft woolly layer that grows on this boundary wall is called moss. They don't bear flowers or fruits. Bryophytes are plants that occupy a position in between Thallophyta and Pteridophyta. Bryophytes are amphibious in habitat. Water is essential for their reproduction. Body is differentiated into stem-like structure, colloid, root-like structure, rhizoid, and leaf-like structure, phylloid. So these are bryophytes. This is Funaria, one type of moss. And you see here, this is sporophytic plant body. And this sporophyte consists of fruit and capsule. This capsule, see here on the white part of this pen, cap-like structure. This is capsule, and lower part of this capsule is seta, and at the base there is foot. And you see again, these are all see here, very clear. Do you follow? Sporophytic body of Funaria, one type of moss, clearly visible here, both capsule, seta, and foot. Do you follow? This is a fern. Fern belongs to pteridophyte. Ferns or pteridophytes are non-flowering plants that they do not have any flowers or fruits or seeds. Body of a fern or of a pteridophyte divides into root, stem, this is stem, and leaves. Leaves are beautifully arranged, and pteridophytes are vascular plants. That is, they possess xylem and phloem. When new leaves come out, they are curled up, just like the tail of a dog. And this is called, look here also, fiddle head and this part is edible. This is a fern leaf or frond. Look at the ventral surface of pinna. That is, this is a sorus. Here there is a sporangium which contains spores, and pteridophytes reproduces through spores. These are herbs. Herbs are small flowering plant without a woody stem. Stem is very weak, and these plants have generally no branches, and plants are short in height. Creepers and climbers are also herbs. This is pumpkin plant. This is actually climbers, and they also belong to herbs. Stem, soft plants without a woody stem. This is a shrub. Shrubs are tall but not too long, flowering plants with woody stem but without trunk. They have branches. They look like bushes. This is a tree because stem is woody and with trunk. So this is tree. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with the channel and subscribe the channel to get more videos.